What's up guys, welcome back to another Krayreacts video. This time it's Fred again mashup. If I'm correct, this is like a cover. Fred again is already a song, at least that's what I saw when I searched it. And I also see in the description of the song that it's like he's saying no copyright infringement intended. So I wonder, let's see.
Sailing in the chopper road, killing like we vultures. I became a queen when I rode with them brothers. Turn to light, night, mess for supper. Brow on command, how sick on another. Cause there ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no, ain't no love in the jungle. Ain't no, pull me out of this.
This is so different from other music. What I like about Ren is that he uses his voice as an instrument as well. You can also hear this in high Ren. He's like ooh, 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 ooh. And also in this song you can also hear that. But yeah, it's not his original. It's not his own song, so I haven't heard the original one. So maybe, yeah, it's different. It's always inspiring to watch Ren play any music, because he's just has his own style, which is pretty unique.
Everybody on a little mission. Money makes you go missing. I get anyone in or Insta. Everybody leave me alone. Her boobies getting lifted. She wanna get lit. Fucking up, I'm bottling. Everybody. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Courage my soul. It won't be very long. Though the night is dark, it keeps me holding on. God bless my soul. It won't be very long. And though the night is dark, it keeps me holding on. I've been lost. I've been lost for a while.
So yeah, I think this is a pretty emotional song for him. I'm not sure, but I get that feeling. I really like the tapping on, like the beatboxing on the guitar and stuff. It's a beautiful song. For me, it's a little bit hard to really understand what the song's about, but he sings like "Leave me alone," and So it's about someone who doesn't feel good. Like he's like, leave me alone. I don't wanna be around anybody. So it's a sad song. I really like the view, by the way. And I'm 100% sure this is a one-take video, because with Ren, it's always a one-take, I think. Well, I don't know if it's always, but like with High Ren and stuff, it's insane how much talent this guy has.
I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost for a while. But I'm really trying. I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost for a while. But I'm really trying. I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost for a while. But I'm really trying. I've been lost, I've been lost, I've been lost. But I'm really trying.
So yeah, I think I was correct with the part where I said it was emotional, because right away after that he's singing "I'm Lost," and you can see the emotion. You can hear it in his voice, and you can also see it in his eyes. He's looking away, and I think like the what he's referencing with "I'm Lost" is he has been sick for so long. I think when he sings "I'm Lost," he's thinking about the time where he was actually lost. Beautiful song, damn, another banger. Ren always gives us great music with a lot of emotion, and it's just different. He's just different, and that's great. We need different. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.